Thanks for joining me on another episode of Taste and See with Dee, where I'm creating one great dish at a time. Thank you guys so much. We've reached 1,000 subscribers. I'm really excited about that. So everyone who has been supporting me, I thank you so much for your support. I also encourage you to share the videos so that we can grow even further. So today on our menu, guys, I'll be making beef and broccoli. I hope you enjoy this video. All right, so the first thing I want to do is I want to cut up these big thick pieces of beef sirloin. To the wok. For these rice noodles, all you have to do is heat up a big pot of water, add a little salt, add a little oil, add these in once it's boiling hot, and then like within the next 5 minutes they're done. These are already set. Okay, so for our sauce, 1 tablespoon of sweet chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1/4 of a cup of hoisin sauce. Mix this up. It doesn't look like a lot, but there's a lot of flavor in this little sauce mixture. Now I'll add my broccoli.
toss the noodles in here.